Story time on how I almost broke my finger. So I was using a jug machine, which is like, it's a machine that you put a football in, then you put it through, and it fly out, and you gotta catch it, and it just help you get your hands better. So I went in there and did that, and I ain't did it in a while. And the first ball that went through, it was low. And I put my hand down, and like the ball hit my finger in a way that it shouldn't have. And then like immediately I was like, all right, I think I'm done. And then I looked down at my finger, and then it was crooked.
They gonna have to give me all the pain medicine they got to snap this back. This is crazy. I'm about to be mad. I'm about to get mad. I think it is, bro. Like, why do stuff happen to me?
So at the time, I'm in shock. Like, I didn't know what was going on. And like, you'll see in the videos, I'm just real calm. This video is from the hospital. They asked me if I wanted to get it numbed or to just pull it, and I'm not good with needles, so I said just pull it. But that didn't really go well because the first lady came in, pulled it for like 20 seconds, and it just wouldn't go. Then the next man came in, pulled it, and it still wouldn't go. And this is what it looked like after they pulled it. So then after that, they had to numb it. They had to put the needles in there. They put 4 needles into my finger. That's what you see dripping off my finger. And then from there, the muscles was loosened up, and it was easier for them to pull it. And then the man came in, was pulling at it hard and pulled it, and it was just one big pop. And then it was loose after that. This picture is the before and after from when I came in and then after they pulled it. They sent me home in this little splint cast type thing. Said I had to wear it for 2 weeks, and overall, they said there was no fractures. I just dislocated. But it's kind of crazy because of like how my finger was looking in the x-rays. Pain was a 10 out of 10.